In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the opening of links on your Samsung Galaxy phone from apps. So if you want to turn that feature on or off, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do on the home screen is just swipe up and then select the settings button. Select the apps button on this page. And then you want to go under general and select default apps. And now select the opening links item at the bottom of this list. And then you can go ahead and turn off the instant app links. So if you want to open links in apps, you can turn that on or off just by toggling that on or off. And you can also do it on an app level as well. So if you click on the app itself, you can adjust if you want to open supported links or not within that app. So you can just basically turn that off pretty easily. So pretty straightforward process on that front, guys, I would say, not too complicated. And that's about it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.